Sheep are domesticated ruminant mammals. They vary in size and appearance depending on the breed, but in general, sheep have a stout, stocky body covered in wool. Their wool can come in various colors, including white, black, brown, and various shades of gray. The fleece can be curly or straight, and its thickness and texture can differ between breeds. Sheep have a distinctive head shape with two long, curved horns called horns on top, which can be present in both males and females. In some breeds, the horns are absent or less prominent in females. They have large, expressive eyes positioned on the sides of their head, allowing them to have excellent peripheral vision, which helps them spot predators. Behavior. Sheep are social animals that prefer to live in flocks. Being prey animals, their flocking behavior provides safety in numbers, as it enables them to detect and evade potential threats more effectively. They communicate with each other through vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Bleating is the most common vocalization, used for various purposes such as expressing distress, calling for their young, lambs, or establishing contact within the flock. Diet. Sheep are herbivores and primarily graze on grasses, herbs, and other low-lying vegetation. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to regurgitate and rechew their food through a process called rumination. This aids in breaking down complex plant materials and extracting more nutrients from their diet. Habitat. Originally, sheep were wild animals, native to mountainous regions in Europe, Asia, and Africa. However, due to their domestication over thousands of years, they are now found all over the world. Sheep are adaptable animals and can thrive in a variety of environments, from arid deserts to lush pastures. They require access to water and vegetation to survive. Domestication and uses. Sheep were among the first animals to be domesticated by humans, dating back to approximately 10,000 years ago. Domestication resulted in various breeds being developed for specific purposes. Some sheep are bred primarily for their wool, while others are raised for their meat, lamb and mutton. Additionally, sheep are a source of milk and other dairy products in some cultures. Reproduction. Sheep are seasonal breeders, with their reproductive cycle influenced by the changing photoperiod, length of daylight. The breeding season, also known as the rut, typically occurs in the fall or early winter. Female sheep are called ewes, males are rams, and baby sheep are lambs. Gestation lasts around 145 to 155 days, and ewes usually give birth to 1 or 2 lambs at a time, although sometimes more in the case of triplets or quadruplets. Significance in culture and symbolism. Sheep have had significant cultural and symbolic importance throughout human history. They are often associated with agricultural societies, pastoralism, and rural life. In many cultures, sheep symbolize innocence, gentleness, and docility. They are also frequently referenced in religious texts and fables, such as in Christianity, where the image of a shepherd tending to his flock has deep spiritual symbolism. In conclusion, sheep are fascinating and valuable animals with a long history of interaction with humans. Their adaptability, gentle nature, and usefulness have made them essential for various purposes, contributing to both agriculture and cultural heritage. Social behavior. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to live in groups known as flocks. A flock can consist of a few individuals to hundreds or even thousands, depending on the environment and husbandry practices. Flocking behavior helps them stay protected from predators and allows for better foraging and grazing opportunities. Herbivorous diet. As herbivores, sheep are well adapted to feed on a variety of plant materials. Their digestive system consists of a 4-chambered stomach, which allows them to break down cellulose and other complex carbohydrates present in plants through fermentation. This specialized digestive process enables them to extract maximum nutrition from their plant-based diet. Wool production. One of the most significant contributions of sheep to humans is their wool. Wool is the thick, warm, and soft coat that grows on sheep. It is widely used for various textiles, including clothing, blankets, carpets, and more. Different sheep breeds produce different types of wool, ranging from fine and soft to coarse and strong. Lanolin. Sheep wool contains a natural waxy substance called lanolin. Lanolin acts as a protective barrier for sheep against water and moisture. It is also a valuable ingredient in various cosmetic and skin care products like lotions, lip balms, and creams. Behavior and communication. Sheep communicate with each other through various vocalizations and body language. Apart from the well-known bleating, they can make other sounds like grunting, hissing, and snorting. Their body language includes ear position, head movements, and tail wagging, which convey different emotions and intentions. Grazing habits. Sheep are selective grazers, meaning they prefer certain types of vegetation over others. This selective grazing can have ecological implications on the landscape they inhabit. In some cases, targeted grazing by sheep is used as an environmentally friendly method to control vegetation growth in specific areas. Intelligence. While sheep are often perceived as simple animals, they have shown signs of intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Studies have demonstrated their capacity for learning, memory, and recognition of other individuals, including humans and other sheep. Breeds. There are hundreds of sheep breeds worldwide, each with its unique characteristics, including size, wool type, color, and temperament. Some well-known sheep breeds include Merino, Dorset, Suffolk, and Border Leicester. Lifespan. The lifespan of sheep varies depending on the breed, management, and environment. On average, domesticated sheep can live between 10 to 12 years, although some may live longer under proper care. Sheep in art and literature. Sheep have been depicted in various art forms throughout history. They often appear in paintings, sculptures, and even poetry and literature as symbols of innocence, meekness, and simplicity. Artists like Claude Monet and John Constable have famously painted pastoral scenes featuring sheep. Overall, sheep are fascinating creatures that have played an essential role in human civilization for thousands of years. Their contributions to agriculture, clothing, and various products have made them a valuable domesticated animal worldwide. Whether in pastoral landscapes or cultural symbolism, sheep continue to hold a special place in human society.